Now, President Trump says he's preparing to impose additional tariffs on high-tech Chinese products worth $50 billion. And it appears investors reacted to that as they retreated from the tech sector. Another big sell-off on Wall Street as the Dow fell nearly 2%. Kenneth Craig reports.
Stocks fell sharply again on Monday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was off nearly 2%, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ saw even steeper declines.
The first quarter of 2018 was the worst for Wall Street in like the last 2 years.
Some big-name tech stocks were hit hard. Amazon plummeted more than 5% after President Trump's Twitter attacks on its business practices.
You're seeing how affected Amazon can be for the first time in a negative way. It's really because of potential government intervention.
Facebook shares dropped more than 2.5%, continuing a decline that began last month with reports of mishandled user data.
Anything that impedes their forward progress is a sell signal to a big investor.
The so-called FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google, have seen their market value drop by about $324 billion in the past 2 weeks. Investors were also reacting to China's decision to impose tariffs on some 1,200 U.S. commodities.
The bottom line is the market just hates the uncertainty of how all this is going to get sorted out.
The White House called on China to end its unfair trade practices instead of targeting what it said were fairly traded exports. Kenneth Craig, CBS News, New York.